It's cool.
Yeah, crazy, right? Loco. Sheer destruction in the Mount Mitchell golf course. Ow. Now the river's as calm and clear as can be right now. Still has that weird green glow to it, and probably devoid of life, I'm sure. All this busted up concrete and shit's blowing my mind. Since I haven't seen none of this yet. Poor Gustavo in his house, his golf course house. This shit is just rickety wrecked. Riggedy wrecked. Can I step on this? Will I fall through? No. Looks like I'm okay. Doink, doink, doink. Got pissed. No. There's another propane tank that's gone now. Pulling the dick out and piss. There was the deck before that shit took it out. The distraction. I'm about to start cleaning it up with Gus and Alfonso. Sand everywhere, mud everywhere. Our first project is going to be scooping mud out of the house. Until then, I will check that. Peace out.